Here I have ZYREX ZA987 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. At the very beginning, let's use the apps icon right here, find and select the settings, scroll down and here you should find language and input. Then let's tap language at the top of the screen and here you should find your desired language. As you can see, this is the full list of available languages that you can use on that device. So in my case, let me find and select the Spanish, so the Español, and let me switch from English to Spanish. Let's tap on Español, and as you can see right now, the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. Now, if you would like to go back to previous version, to the English one, let's choose here Ajustes, scroll down, choose idiomas y traducción de texto. Type idioma and from the following list let's choose English from United States. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.